I had no idea what the machines did, and I at least have a pretty good understanding and grasp of what the procedures are that are being performed, and a level of confidence now to go in and do the PM at the very minimum.
Yeah, also the use of the laser. I didn't have prior any knowledge on laser, and testing for power output. Through this course, we found a way to test out power.
It's well worth the time. Lots of information, very well presented. John's very knowledgeable, definitely an expert in the field.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I think for me it went way above. I mean, there's been previous trainings where the devices where you come out of it knowing something, but coming in blind and knowing as much now, it's like, oh wow, okay. There's a lot of information, but I have an understanding of it. I couldn't recite it without looking at my book, but the knowledge is there and I have the understanding. Variety was provided for sure, and I enjoyed it a lot, yes.
Also, class was very upbeat. It was, fun in terms of, it was kind of loose. It wasn't all tight and strict. And so, kept it humor. There was a lot of humor involved. So it made learning easier. Time flew by, really. There was days that felt that we thought would be long because there's a lot of material. But it went really fast, so overall it was really good. So we enjoyed the class.
Yeah, it's a good variety too, not just looking at over material all day, then you just start falling asleep. So maybe go over some material, then you get up, actually physically do things.
Hands-on.
The hands-on.
Hands-on.
Plenty of hands-on.
Yeah.
Plenty of hands-on. Which is, with something I'm not familiar with, hands-on is the best way to really get familiar with it. I know one thing John mentioned that he's going to redo some videos. The videos he mentioned were Alcon provided videos. There are a lot of setup videos. I don't know if maybe he could integrate a video of the test setup as opposed to the user setup. Just, I don't know, maybe incorporate that. Now, it's obviously a video is not going to be in a printout, but just to kind of help with visualizing the setup, and then, okay, I can watch that, follow that video as I'm setting it up. Especially as a reference point, looking back.
Yes. Yeah, and be able to skip through lessons, so you might not necessarily need the whole course, but you just need,
So with the Centurion, when we had the videos and then you did it, was that more effective than, let's say, the Constellation, you think?
The Centurion ones, yes.
Yes, the Centurion was more effective, than the Constellation.
But it didn't cut shit. I kind of had a confused look on me on one thing, and then he was like, "Are you sure you got that one?"
Yeah, and I think he could recognize it.
Yeah.
For sure.
I definitely think a refresher video will help out a lot because, like me, I don't have a PM until 6 months for Constellation, and sometimes you don't, usually you lose it.
right.
So
So
it'd be great to be able to reference a video.
Yep. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Thanks, Master.
All right, thanks, guys.